about this individual colleges, their programs, their websites, their examination deadlines, what and how the students should pursue. Like for example, many times students don't know whether they should pursue the engineering or medical or paramedicals or fashion designing or management or a law. So what are the internal qualities the students should possess by themselves, like what we call as a psychometric test. That this book also will have a substantial amount of information that how students should choose based on this particular internal. Also help the parents also to make a career after 12, not just based on the current demand in the market or maybe the salary that they probably pursue or the prestige probably that the profile job that they are going to pursue. So having this is one of the first book distribute these copies for all the secondary schools, higher secondary schools, all the government libraries, and we'll make sure that this copy reaches out to the maximum students, parents and teachers as well, so that they can make a collective decisions in their choosing their careers after the 12th. Hopefully this, whatever the efforts that Goa State Higher Education has taken, hopefully it will benefit in the near futures for all the students, parents and teachers as well. Thank you so much.
Okay. How? Yeah, you want to say something?
No.
Huh? How बाकी brief करता सरस करता हूँ. You can proceed. Yeah, you can proceed. So thank you, Valentin.
I thank you everyone, especially media for giving coverage, and definitely this through media, this book will reach each and every students in Goa. Also thank Honorable Chief Minister, Chief Secretary, Education, and all the dignitaries who are present here for this function. Thank you.
So congratulations for the Director of Higher Education for this career guidance group, especially for the Madhav girls. Photo घेतलं तुमका भेटला म्हणून फोटो खंयचो फोटो उरला
हरवडा कोणी हे केल्यानंतर त्यांचे फोटो
हां ती मजा ओके